Good morning. Good morning, Marcella. Hey there, Red Velvet. Hello. I've almost overslept again, as you can hear my voice. I was sleeping like almost 40 minutes ago. Guten Morgen. Yono, what's up? All right. Secrets of the Unknown. Good to see you back. And Point Man. Kishik, hey there. Welcome. All right. Let's start off the day. Let's start off this London session and let's check some levels, right? I mean, we can fairly say that, except for this move, yesterday's, New York session, including the PM session, wasn't really big of a move here. I mean, we were technically ranging in around 70-80 points. So let's see what the levels are right now. I would say that we can have an Asia high here as buy side liquidity. And for Asia lows, I would say we can go with 364. 364. Oh, and this would be Asia high. Okay. And in between those levels, we have a 15-minute fair value gap right here. And good morning, Yoregat. Let me check. Beautiful. You guys made it. $1,300. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. You and Bob are killing it. Absolutely killing it. Okay. Here's this 15-minute CB. 15-minute CB. And so far we're having sort of like a reaction or rejection on this one. Oh yeah, I just saw that in the Discord. Yeah, beautiful. Awesome results. Good morning, Slim Trady. Farhad, hey there. Good morning, Farhad. You guys are killing it. Killers. A really awesome job there. Looking for the mini. Naomi, good morning. Okay, we have almost relative equal lows. This is the mini. Okay. Let's get back to the micro. I mean, I don't see any special volume imbalance or anything on the 5-minute. Checking the 1-minute. Yeah, we have some levels down there. So, and also on the micro. So far, the 15-minute CB is rejecting price. What's the distance? 25 points. Okay. All right. We can do that. Let's go. I hope Bob makes it. Hey, Jacques. What's up? Good doctor? What's happening? I'm not a good doctor. Okay, previous day high is 428. Let me check some 1-hour levels. Work. Well, as always. Looking at these levels here, I'm still bullish, by the way, on the 1 hour, and I think we have drawn liquidity up there at 494. I see these formations too many times. That's the thing. So I think overall, in the big picture, the drawn liquidity is 494. So although we have some minor targets down here, maybe even to sweep that level down there, but I don't know. Dollar reverse to Asia low. Yeah, that's a good strategy or good plan for the day. Judith, good morning. Need to change it. Yeah, that's why we're here. That's why we're grinding here at the charts, you know. Definitely, Jacques. It is the ultimate goal for everybody. The ultimate goal for everybody. But I will not be able to trade as much as I wish. Oh, really? Come on. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry. The big picture. Okay. Yeah. Wages are stagnant and taxes are, oh yeah, definitely. It's unfortunately that's the case. Excuse me. Yeah, that's the case. Bob, hey there. Hey Bob, congratulations. I just Tomasz just posted your results. Beautiful. I will be professional office. You know, as I said, the ultimate goal is to just push the button once a day and, you know, relax. What? 1100 pages of A4? Oh. That's not so good. All right, this CB is still holding this level. Exam. Oh man. Oh, I see. Post-graduation. You will make it. I know you will. I know you will. Looks like we're going a little bit higher here, which is a good thing. Good morning, Trader Monk. Hey there. Yoda get. All right, going for Asia highs, maybe, which is technically almost like relative equal highs. 15, 14 points away. It seems like price wants to break into that level. The problem is the range is not too big. Well, 20 points, but I have no entry. Going through that 15-minute CB right now. And let's go down to the 1 minute. Yeah. I think it wants to grind higher. One small minor thing here down there that we have a volume imbalance also that can be seen on the mini as well, but nothing special. By the way, I just bought a funded account from MyFundedFutures, the 25K static. There's a 25K static account, only available until next week something. I think for a few days. 25K static account, instant funded. Check it out. Bum 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 bum. 409, 410. Yeah, I think we can go to Asia highs. Hey, what's up, Beanie Player? For how much? $171. But here's the page milestone, and there you go. Here it is. This is the one, 25K, and the main thing is it's static. So there's no end of day trailing or intraday trailing. You're always going to have $1,000 drawdown, so $24,000 is going to be your maximum loss limit. It's never going to move. Your profit target is $1,500, and you get paid $750 on your first payout. On your second payout, $1,000, third payout, and so forth, right? So it's for limited time only. With the discount, it's $171. Instant funded account. All right, seems like this one wants to go. But maybe not. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. We still have time until the London Open, so we'll see. Good morning, Holy Grail. Let's see what's going on. So far, we are stuck around in this 15-minute CB. So let's see if it wants to go lower, maybe. Or take out the highs. I mean, the highs are at, well, 412-ish area. But then it has to go through the 400 level. Bum, 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 bum. Just waiting. There's the 5-minute fair value gap at 401. And other than that, There's one at 387 if it wants to go down from here. $100 good morning. Cedric, good morning. Maggie, hello. Which platform are you using on MyFundedFutures, TradeAway, Ninja? I'm using Quantower. I always go with Quantower because it's easy to switch between prop firms and I can easily copy trade them. So I use Quantower. So currently I have like multiple accounts connected. I can just easily switch between, prop firms. I have Take Profit Trader accounts, ProfiTrade, Apex accounts connected. That's why I like it. And the copy trading function is super great. I can copy trade from Elite Trader funding account to Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, and it's just super great. So Take Profit Trader has the same MNQ, right? Save it, save it, save it. Okay, this is the Elite Trader funding account. Okay, and that is an evaluation. Okay, it's running. Just wanted to make sure. Hey SP, is there any limit on how many accounts you can have for 25k static? That's a very good question, SP. I just realized that there's a static account yesterday evening. I haven't really checked it, but I think 3 because it's a funded account. It counts as a funded account. So overall, I think 3 funded accounts, and maybe you can build it up to 5. But I think 3. Don't quote me on that, but I think you can have 3. I want to purchase at least 1 or 2 more as well. I mean, I blow up my funded account with MyFundedFutures again. Not now, it was weeks ago. And now I'm still doing the evaluation. So until I don't have that funded account, I might purchase a static account just to work on something because I really want to get some payouts from MyFundedFutures. 100 lot, your clash, your MyFunded, what? Oh, your daily loss limit. Okay, 100 lot. Well, today, maybe take it a little bit slow. Yesterday was crazy, man. 100 lot. Yesterday was absolutely crazy. I mean, in this range, everybody could chop. This is typically the way you chop yourself up. And so that wasn't really ideal, but at least there was a daily loss limit, In these cases, it's good. It saves you. Same as in the ATP independent copier. If you want to choose, that's good. Sierra chart. I heard a lot of people are trading Sierra. Hey Bob, how long do you have to pay the activation fee on Bulenox? There's many options with Bulenox. You can choose not to request the activation as long as you want, as long as you pay the monthly, because you have to manually request the activation. You're going to pay the monthly fee for the evaluation account as long as you're not requesting the activation. So for example, if you passed it a couple of days ago, you still have like 3 weeks, for example, until the next rebill date comes for the evaluation. So you can just wait. You can just wait for until the next rebill. Or you can ask for the activation. That's going to take, they're going to leave the payment link for a week. I specifically asked it. So the payment link is going to be active for a week on the dashboard. But if you write support, they're going to extend the activation link with an extra 2 weeks. So overall, if there's some bank issue or money issue or whatever, if you already have the activation link, they can extend it, and you have overall 3 weeks to activate the account. And maybe they can extend it more. I don't know. But last year, I was changing my banks. I didn't have a credit card posted yet, and I requested the activation, but I didn't have the credit card on my on me, and they were awesome, and they said no problem. They extended it with an extra 2 weeks, so you have time. Last take ProfiTrade eval earlier. Oh, I'm over evals at this point. Especially, well, you have to be careful with take profit trader evals, Naomi. You have to be, because that's a hard breach there. Trader Monk, me too. Oh no. Jules, hey there. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Paul. Dominic, good morning. I'm already into longs 380. Let's go, man. I think you have a good chance to go for Asia high. I did not enter anything. I'm just waiting on the sidelines. Let's go. All right. All right, Bob. Nestor, hey there. Have you tried getting funded with TopStep? I'm banned from TopStep. I had lots of stuff, but I was funded. I get payouts from TopStep, a few $1,000s. Which I documented last year on actually last time in January. But yeah, I was funded and I got paid. What's this? And payout? Yeah, payouts are good, quick. TopStep is a great company. Nothing against. They are great. Have you seen what a trade? Oh, by the way, yeah, Dominic, I saw your post, but yesterday I couldn't get back to the computer. I mean, on time. So earlier this morning I saw your post. Awesome, dude. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, you trade with Sierra chart. I know. Beautiful trade, Dominic. I saw that. Simeon, hey there. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? You should risk less, Dominic. You're not crazy, but you should risk less. Yeah. Definitely. Oh yeah. Yesterday I blowed another PA. Oh man, it happens. It happens. With discounts, thanks always. Oh, Westside, you're welcome. Thank you so much if you using my code. Thank you, and never quit. Yeah, and any one of you guys who are using my codes and links, thank you for the support. Greatly appreciate it. Simeon, you blow another PA. Don't say you never reach payout, man. Don't say you never reach. That is something you cannot say. Instead, say this. I learned a great lesson when you blow the PA account. I know it feels bad at that moment, but say this. I learned a great lesson. I'm going to review what I did wrong. And I just got one step closer to my payout. Say this. Trust me, bro. It's going to help. It's just going to be small crumbs, but this is going to help. So if you blow that PA account, I strongly advise you don't have to write it down if you don't want to. I mean, I used to write down some stuff, but just, sit down, sit back and relax and try to think for just a moment of your time or 2 moments, what did you do wrong? I suppose you did rage trading or over leveraging. Think about what you were doing wrong, and then you will realize that it was not the market, it was not your entry because you're smart, you know how to enter. It was only emotions. You will realize and just say that, okay, I took the lesson, I just got one step closer, so let's keep on going. That is it. That is it, man. You will make it. So that's it. Yeah, never say negative self-talk. I agree. Okay, so who cares, Simeon? 28. Somebody has a number of 5. Somebody has a number of 28. Somebody has a number of 200. That's not the point, man. Trust me. It's all right. It's all right. Just try to learn from it. It's a journey. Try to, just small baby steps. If you can, think of yourself in a slingshot, slingshot. You just pull yourself back and back and back, you do everything. But once everything is ready inside you to do this right, then you're just gonna boost and you're gonna soar, and it's gonna be absolutely fine. Don't worry about those numbers right now. Obviously, don't do like crazy spending. Go step by step. So don't spend crazy money on these accounts, obviously, depending on your budget. But I don't know. Everybody has a different budget for these accounts, but do it step by step. Don't give up. No negative self-talk. Look back what you did wrong. It was only emotional stuff. Don't worry about it. You can work on that. The market is good. Your strategy is good. You're smart. Work on it. Move forward. Boom. It's just a question of time. All right. And read Trading in the Zone. Mark Douglas. Read that book. Okay. Homework for you. Homework. Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone. That's my Bible, by the way. All right. Yesterday I requested the first Bulenox request. Congratulations, Holy Grail. Let me give you an applause, Holy Grail. And to all of you who passed new evaluations or good morning, Steam. 200 plus, then got paid out. Yeah, there you go, Westside. Exactly. Yeah. More than there you go, Nestor. There you go. Overtrading. Yeah, overtrading is coming from. That's also emotions, Don't give up. Exactly. If you pass 28 accounts but blow them all, it means exactly. You know what to do. By the way, 28 blown accounts is the proof that you know what to do. You exactly know what to do. You just have to work a little bit. You have to work on something, some of that small glitch, that mistake that that drives you to overtrade that account. That's it. Yeah. Bob, thank you. You're welcome, Holy Grail. Black Ops 3 waiting for a setup. Oh man, I was playing that game. Wasn't my favorite, to be honest, but I know that game. I'm still stuck with the horrible game PUBG, you know, a lot of glitches. But I think PUBG is gonna go down anyway. I mean, PUBG is getting worse and worse, but I still like it. Still one of my favorite games. Hey, least estimator Tom, what is your daily profit target in Bulenox? Well, you know, I would say this for every kind of 50K funded account, least estimator. On a 50K funded account, if I make $200 or $300 a day, that's it for me. Sometimes I got a little bit greedier or luckier. I made $500 and I definitely walking away about around $500 or $600. That's it. But if the day is a little bit slow and, you know, I don't feel that so much, and if I can make 200, 250, 300, I'm walking away, or I'm switching to a different account if I want to continue to trade. Is what I do. Bo, that's all. Bo, you're welcome. And for everybody, I say this: if you haven't already, please read Mark Douglas Trading in the Zone. Okay. Hey Maxi, it's been a while. Oh yeah, Maxi, what's happening? Where have you been? Yeah, everything is cool. Good to see you back. ProfiTrade, so far I'm building up my accounts, so let me show you guys, because I want to journal this for you guys, and I'm gonna do the recap video today because it's end of the week. So here are my ProfiTrade accounts. I have 3 funded accounts currently. One is up 581. One is at $1,315, and this one is up 686. 2 25Ks and 1 50Ks. I'm gonna get more 50Ks, but one of the first goals, because it's mathematically easier to get payouts from the 25Ks as soon as possible. With the 50Ks, I need to build it up to $2,600. So I'm working on it, definitely. I'm working on the ProfiTrade accounts, and hopefully I'm gonna let you guys know soon if I get the payouts. PUBG is going like a fast track. Yeah. Trading this account for almost a month. Always 200 or 300 from payout. Well, because emotions kick in when you're getting, guys, I know how it is. If you're getting closer to those payouts, emotions are kicking in. So, but you can overcome that. To me, the game changer was copy multiple funded accounts. Cedric, that is awesome. To me, it was the opposite. It was the opposite because I was copying funded accounts and I got too emotional. So I stopped copying the funded accounts. And when I stopped copying, I traded them individually and I got to the payouts, because even when I lost the trade on a funded account, I was okay. I just switched to another funded account and I continued, and my emotions got way lower. But you know, if Cedric, that's what it works for you, obviously you have to go with that. I'm lately paying open. Oh. Dirty Canyon, yeah. NFL. Oh yeah, single drift without. There you go. Nissim, hey there, welcome. Throw the live on the background. Thank you so much, Maxi, for tuning in, even if you're just lurking. There's a problem with FTT right now. I don't know if they can get through it. We'll see. Good morning, Pablo. 200K from ProfiTrade. Wow, thank you for supporting. Very cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna buy more evaluations too, and maybe one more direct funded account. I think. But yeah, they are still cheap. No idea what the motions are. Same, yeah, list estimator. When I was trading funded 1x1, almost can't TP. Oh yeah. Well, you know, that's what I say. If it changed for you, 20 funded account, then definitely, yeah, copy trade. Yeah, step by step, Cedric. Perfect. I put that candle in my trading view. Let me help you there, MDE. Go to indicators and search for power of 3. Okay, so you find HTF power of 3. It has almost 10K users. 2 degrees is the programmer. So you just click on it and there you have it. One click. I'm not going to click on it again, but you just click on it once and boom, you can put it to your favorites too. Power of 3. And what I did is double click, and I used the New York Midnight, and I used the daily candle. Obviously you can customize it, but use the New York Midnight as an open. That's it. Told me to wait it out and follow the rules. Well, you're welcome, Nissim. I mean, it was your decision. So yesterday I bought 50K. Oh, thank you so much, Edgaras. Thank you for the support, man. How much do you make from affiliate per month? Wondering if I should start too. Well, guys, I wanted to do a recap video too, but I'm not gonna say because I'm gonna say it, but not individually. But a few $1,000s definitely comes in from affiliates per month, and I have 3,300 subs or something like that. How much? Oh yeah, 3,332 subs. So a few $1,000s definitely comes in from affiliates. And at this point, I mean, Methodical Man made last month $15,000 and he has 5,500 subscribers, and he made 15,000 from affiliates. I'm not making that much, but without the affiliate commissions, I could not be making a living from trading yet. So you guys are making it possible. And yeah, basically. Marshall MMA, hi. Only huge trouble in the rhythmic issue. Yeah. Did you see Tom FTT has dropped their prices? I saw that. I don't know what this. I'm gonna wait for FTT to you know, sort everything out for sure. I don't know how to hit the wall. The need to reset. Oh, single drift roll. That's like an open trade. Ah, you the man, Nissim. Well, just take it slow, Dominic. Small positions. Good morning, FX and Trophy. Seja candles. Oh, that one is better. I'm gonna check that out too. If it's private, no problem. But do you recommend starting a live? If it's private, no problem. But do you recommend starting to live trading channel? Is it help you? Well, you know, what can I say, list estimator? I'm streaming since 2022, and for many times, and this is a grind, I was here streaming for basically sometimes nobody in the first month. I was many times for a month. You guys, some of you guys remember, I was streaming for 2 or 3 or 5 people, sometimes 1 or 2 people in the London session, and from 2022. And I was always here. I always showed up. I still show up. For me, being here on YouTube, and so this is a business, guys. This is my full-time job, and I never ever said it otherwise. I never denied that. Oh no, YouTube is just my hobby. You know, it doesn't matter. No, it matters to me because I left my company where I worked at this year, 2024. I left my company to be full-time here on YouTube. and I could not have made it without affiliate commissions. I could not. But it took a lot of time and grind, and I needed some help too. Methodical Man helped me a lot, and I made the big decision. So I was working a full-time job actually, and but I was a contractor, so I was able to make time for the stream. And then I was sitting to my car and driving to clients all day after the stream. And now I can be here all day if I want to, because of you guys. You guys made it possible, who are supporting using the codes and the links. And I got a lot of hate, and I never thought, but I did receive negative emails, DM messages, and some hate on other streams too, that I shill prop firms. Yes. And I never made a secret that I am not able to make a living yet from payouts, because there was a 5-month period this year I didn't receive any payout from prop firms because I kept blowing up my funded accounts. But I just wanted to make it clear, because I just received 2 hate emails a few days ago that I'm just a shill, I'm just a fake, I'm just a blah 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 blah. And dude, being here on YouTube for me is a business. I make this for a living, man. I never said I'm a profitable trader. I never ever said I am a profitable trader. I am not. I did take a few payouts, but I'm not profitable. So never copy trade me. This is a journey. This is here for entertainment, to gather a community, to help out each other. But the recent email I just got was so hateful. I had to clear this out because, you know. Anyway, without the affiliate commissions, you guys, from YouTube, I make $200 a month from YouTube. From affiliate commissions, I make thousands a month. And I was able to support my family, pay out some of my debt. I'm saving money. I'm saving also this money, which I got from affiliate. I'm not buying Lamborghini. Of course, I couldn't. I'm not renting stuff and anything. I'm saving it up in case some things happen with the prop firms, because I want to make a living from trading, not from affiliate commissions. The goal is to take payments from trading and not from affiliate commissions. And I'm super happy and grateful for you guys. But yes, I need to be affiliated with these prop firms. Otherwise, I won't be here full time on YouTube. That's it. So, case closed. All right. Anyway, moving to trading. We have, let me read the chat real quick. Did you see no payment from Fast Track Trading? Thank you. Got my 10 points with that drop. Nice. This morning after I listened to FTT, I love extra 10 accounts. I didn't listen to that. I didn't listen to that FX and Trophy. Let me know what was it about, but I didn't listen to that meeting. Yeah, you guys were 12 people for a giveaway. Yeah. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Like, you trust FTT. Oh, well, there's nothing wrong with that. If you trust FTT, that's it. I said multiple times, I hope that they will solve this out. How long were the emails? Well, I mean, a few days ago. It was you. Right. No, 100 lot. I knew you were here many times, saying, and you're cool, man. It was, I know you're cool. You don't copy trade me. You can fade me, and you maybe make money if you fade me. All right, listen, look at this. Are we going down to this volume imbalance? All right, we might be. Yeah. Definitely, I'm gonna start an exotic car rental company. Can you open your own TradeAway account or other? Yeah, it will make taking payouts easier. I was thinking about that too, but I'm not ready emotionally yet to trade on my own funds because I'm still sometimes blowing up funded accounts, so I'm not ready to trade on my own capital right now. Scott is putting everyone and everything at ease. They are transparent and they continue to pay affiliates and traders in like 2 weeks. For example, just saying, and nothing, but I have not received a single dollar from Fast Track Trading from affiliate commissions. Just saying, they owe me. To be honest, I made, if you guys want to see how much I made with Fast Track Trading, I can show you. I never got paid out. And this is since the beginning, so it's not 1 month. But I'm not going to show every detail about the account, but I'm going to show you the screen. So if you want transparency, this is how much I made. Do you guys see it? Okay. So overall, I made $2,890 from Fast Track Trading in affiliate commissions, but this is not 1 month. This is from the beginning. You guys purchased $21,000 worth of accounts in sales. 68 people, no, 50 people actually individually purchased accounts with my link, and I'm super grateful for you guys using it, the link. This money I never got paid. I never. So just saying, I did not receive any of this money. So I'm not complaining. I think they should pay the traders, but I never got this. Okay, unpaid, as you see. Oh, you don't see it, but it says unpaid right here, but you don't see it because it's cropped. Okay, anyway, that's the Fast Track Trading commission. Also change rule payout on funded account. Okay. Thank you, MDE. It seems MyFunded and TopStep are just the elite choices. MyFundedFutures and TopStep, and I know you guys gonna say I'm crazy, but on the 3rd and 4th place, I'm gonna bring Apex and Bulenox. I know you guys are, oh, Apex, why? Apex is gonna stay, guys. Mark my words. I know you disagree. Apex is going to stay. They did the best decision with the rules, but that's a different topic. Okay. Well, we'll see. Have you all had payouts from Bulenox? Yes, I had Bulenox payouts multiple times. Bulenox always pays like clockwork. Bulenox, like boom, on every single, like almost to the hour every week. Boom, payouts are there. They don't pay to anyone. Yeah. FTT is that new rules recently, and it was applied for people who was trading according to the old rules. Yeah, exactly. Holy Grail. Apex is gonna stay. I think Tradeify has a good business model. I also registered with them. I just did not start to trade with them yet. Are we gonna go down from here? I wonder. You know, we're basically trading below this 50. The problem is that we're going to have the London Open in about 11 minutes. Well, we can say that, Holy Grail, but you know, if I'm not particularly so I said this, like I don't really want to promote like 10 prop firms or 20 or whatever. I said that, you know, separating or diversifying my trading in between 4 or 5 prop firms is more than enough. It's way more than enough. Currently, the ones that I actively trade, although I picked up Elite Trader funding too, so I'm trading it actively now. These are the ones that you see up there at the banner. These are the ones that I'm actively trading. I received payout from Bulenox, Apex, MyFundedFutures, Jen A. Sorry. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. So I trade these prop firms. I received payout from trading from MyFundedFutures, Apex, Bulenox, and still working on the Take Profit Trader payout and ProfiTrade. And I just picked up Elite Trader funding, but it's more than enough. But I'm actively promoting the ones I am actively trading and receiving pay. I got paid out, by the way, from Take Profit Trader, but only as an affiliate. But the payout model is the same for an affiliate as for the trader. And I must say, the payout was so fast from Take Profit Trader because the affiliate commissions and the trading payout commission, the trading profits are always going to the same wallet. So it's in your wallet, basically. They put it in your wallet in the dashboard. So from there, it's exactly the same. So I clicked on withdrawal and it was on my account, international transfer in about a few hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, maybe something like that. Super fast. I was like, what the hell? Super. So I want to have that funded account, definitely. So Tradify is, I think it's good. I registered with them. I'm just not trading with them yet because I have so many accounts already. Seems like we're going down here. Maybe to sweep that Asia low. I still don't have a trade yet. Profit trade account. I'm going to show you, Pandora. Marco, how can I help you? Profit trade account. Profit trade. I'm going to show you my accounts. Here it is. Profit trade. So currently I'm working on 3 funded accounts. This one is up $581. This is a 25K. This is a 50K. $1,315. And the other one, you don't see it, right? Because it's cropped. Okay, you don't see it because my screen is cropped. Believe it or not, on the right side, I have a 25K up $686. So these are the ones that I'm working on. On the right side is a direct funded, but I'm gonna buy another directly funded account too. So if I get the payout, I'm definitely going to let you guys know and do an update video of how I'm doing. Crystal Ball says NQ is going down. Yeah, I think so too. We have the same volume imbalance on the mini and the micro down there at 370. So I would not be surprised if it would dump after the London Open. So we're gonna wait for that. Kuko, good morning. The affiliate commissions are almost the same with different, not always the same. And all I can say, because there's, by the way, an NDA with some of the prop firms with the affiliate commissions. I don't know why when you register, but I can tell you that some of the commissions at one prop firm, maybe I have a prop firm which is better in 1 month, but in the next month it's way behind. For example, the previous month Apex was on average, and now because of the new rules, Apex basically is down like 50%, because obviously people stop buying Apex. I don't know. Anyway, but other prop firm then goes up. So, you know, it balances a little bit, because when they stop buying at one prop firm, I mean, it's understandable. Then maybe they buy some more at another prop firm. So it's fluctuating. I must say, it's fluctuating. I'm not crushing it. I'm doing small steps. No problem. Never with active. Now, activation fees don't pay commission. I mean, affiliate money. Activation fees are not. Only, for example, Bulenox, if you buy a Bulenox account for $17, commission is $1.70 or something, $1.50. I think 10%, so $1.70 if someone buys a Bulenox account with my code. So, but those $1 are adding up, you know, $1 here, $1 there, $2, so it adds up, you know, the small things. You're done with Apex. Yeah, many people are done with Apex, but again, I think those rules were needed. But let's see, you know, what happens. The static account is at MyFundedFutures. Here's the static account. Milestone, you choose the milestone, and it's the 25K. It's for limited time only until next week, something, I don't know, until the end of next week or until Wednesday. 25K static account, 1K drawdown. First payout 750. I know it's not that much, but after that, you know, it's okay. 10 micro or 1 mini, which is more than enough, by the way, more than enough. And there's a consistency rule of 20%, so you don't need more to trade with. Instant funded account. Basically, this is an instant funded account. And these are all instant funded accounts, the milestone accounts. By the way, the 50K milestone, with the discount you can get it for 400, is like a very, very good deal. You reach $3,000 and you get a $2,000 payout, which is basically great. The ROI, reward on risk, is like how much? 5 times. So you invest $400, you push it to 3,000, the profit, and you will be paid $2,000. That's a good investment. So take it as a business. How does it work? Well, it's very simple. If you have to push it to $1,500 profit, and you can take out 750. If you make another $1,500 profit after taking out the 750, you get $1,000, and so on and so forth. 1,250 for the third payout, and after the fourth payout, you're going to live funded account automatically. The 50K has a little bit bigger yield. As I said, you just have to push it, and you can take out $2,000, which is a good investment if you know what you're doing. Good morning, A+ trader. What's up? Well, Yannick's, yeah, the 20% consistency, I think it's against the lucky traders, the windfall traders. But I mean, yeah, so I think to make $1,500 profit, I mean, there's no need for 20%. It would be enough for 15% or 10%, I think. Every prop firm with a huge delay of payouts. Yeah. Well, Cedric, the fastest payouts are with MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, and Top Step. There's no delay there. Never was. Instant payout ones or skip. Yeah. If I make it in one day, it's okay. I see. Market is about to open in a few seconds, so let's see how London does. Jó reggelt, Csipesz. All right, we have the London Open. Let's see. The thing is, so far we don't have a fair value gap. I mean, we have one here on the 5-minute. Okay, rebalancing this here. Here's the 15-minute CB, still acting as possible support maybe. It's the 5-minute. There's a small volume imbalance up there at 396 on the 1-minute. Nothing really that I like. I think it should go up there to 396 to rebalance it. Yeah. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is legit, absolutely legit. They proved themselves so far. I know TopStep is much older, but MyFundedFutures is proved everything so far on their end. So wonder if we can get a slow algo drift in Gliss Globex. Well, not quite sure. Want to see a high or low taken? Yeah, me too. Me too. I would like to see some clear movement. It repriced up there. Marco, how can I help? What's the help? What is the help? Pum, 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 pum. Pum, 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 pum. Rejected from there. Look at that. Is it gonna go down to the 70s? I wonder. Let me check my copy trader. Dun, 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 dun. In profitable ProfiTrade 25k account is just need to make, yeah. You can take out $1,000, but you have to leave 500 on the account with ProfiTrade. So you go down to 20,000 and 5 or 600, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, down to 68 area, that would be a good one, but I think it wants to rebalance some levels up here. All right, we're stuck in this 15-minute CB. And we'll see where we go from here, right? Okay, are we going up and maybe take out the Asia high here? Let's see the initial reaction here. You know, I think this area is significant, so if it trades through, then it should run the Asia highs. At 12, right? It's at 12. Dun, dun. Well, back to the middle. Back to the middle. Why can some prop firms give accounts to people from certain countries? It's not the prop firm, it's the broker. I understood that lately as well. Some brokerages just don't want to, and it's basically regulated by the CME and the government in the US. Some countries are not allowed to take bank wire transfers in and out for every kind of online and offline, like brick and mortar companies are not allowed to do money transfers with some countries that are economically, political standpoints and stuff stands in the way. It's basically not the prop firms who are deciding this. It's the, what's it called? That I don't know the name of that institution, that government institution, which actually builds up this list. And it's not against specifically traders or prop firms. It's against money laundering, terrorism, political ways, corruption. All that such comes into a big, let's just say, equation. And they decide actually if US-based companies can do bank wire transfers. Again, it can be an online company. It doesn't have to be a prop firm. It can be just a dropshipping company, or it can be just an online service company, whatever. But they cannot do bank transfers, money transfers with these countries. So it's not the prop firm that they want to ban people, because they need more people. Prop firms would like to have every people from every country. It's the government. So FCC, SCC. There's one more. Let me just check. Let's see if we get to the Asia highs. I'm gonna tell you which is that. I have it here. Yeah, OFAC, Office of Foreign Assets Control. That's it. OFAC. That's what decides who can trade with prop firms. So this is it. I don't know if you guys see it. So it's not the prop firm. This is the government institution that actually decides the list. Office of Foreign Assets Control. They are making the banned list, and they are requiring these prop firms, and not just prop firms, every US-based company that is doing business abroad, outside the US, to go with this list. So the Office of Foreign Assets Control is a Treasury Administrator, blah, blah, blah. You can check their website. They are building this list. So it's their job. Yeah. So not MyFundedFutures or TopStep is making this or whatever, but they have to do this because of this regulatory institution or whatever. Bulenox code doesn't work. It should be working. Let me try. Tomsabo, all capital or small letters. Let me check. And what you can do, because the website sometimes is a little bit glitching out, click back and forth between the price of two accounts, and it should be changing immediately. I know that Bulenox code should be working because a friend of mine just sent me a message that he just bought an account with my code. It has to be working. Let me check. Yeah, it's working. You can try small capital or big capital letters. I don't know if that makes sense, but try to click back and forth. Should be working. Thank you, Maxi, for dropping in. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Yeah. We're going for Asia highs, it seems like it. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. Is it going to take that out or just going to reverse? Who knows? You know, it might just going to reverse. London can do that. It does a tricky move. It does the London tricky move. It's already reversing. It can't make it. Have you tried funded futures? No, I never. How high? Well, I'm looking at the 412, but I'm not in a trade, so I'm not sure what this one's gonna do. It might just, it can also just, waterfall down from here and take the lows. I don't have an entry yet. I thought that it's going to take the highs, but obviously it's not going for it right now. I don't know. It's tricky, It's tricky because now it seems like it just wants to fall. Look at that. It didn't go through. It's just not going for it. Maybe it wants to trade through this and, go down to refill that imbalance. That can happen. Super easy. Squeeze everybody. There are some levels. down there, but nobody knows. It could be a tricky one. That now that we're back in this 15-minute CB, you gotta be careful. You know, especially if it goes through, and as I said, we have that volume imbalance. Or might just bounce from here. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, look at that. Almost went to the Asia high, and now it's just coming down. So I would say that 370 for a scalp, but if it's not, you know, retracing back a little bit, at least to give a possible entry, then, you know, this could be a good choice maybe. But it's just gonna go down. Yeah, most likely. Dun, 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 dun. What's the level here? 97, the middle. I mean, the 50% level would be, yeah, 96 if it goes back. And it would be good for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I put a limit order at 396 for sell. 396 is my limit sell order if it goes there. That's a big if, right? Right now it's not going for it. Where is it? Not here. Okay, here's my limit sell. If it takes it, I don't have a TP yet. I'm risking like 90 bucks on it. Okay, we're in it. In it. 11, that would be okay. I might gonna get slaughtered on this one. Oh yeah, I will. And down to right there. Yeah, so I might gonna get destroyed on this trade. Okay, that's gonna be my TP down there. I'm gonna lower my stop a little bit, not too much. All right, let me read the chat. Yeah, take profit is yeah, let me read it. As Ricardo, what is the difference between end of day and simple? Well, end of day is, you know, when the trailing is going to adjust for the next day at the balance of your at the end of day. So intraday, if you have a profit realized or unrealized, that's going to be adjusted immediately at that very second to your trailing stop. With the end of day, you have a little bit more room to trade with, because they're only going to adjust it at the end of the day. So it's a little bit better. But Apex better than take profit? Take profit is better, in my opinion. Ken, I think take profit is better. Yeah. Apex is good too. I know you guys hate it. Apex is good too, but I think take profit is better. Those are bearish, FTSE and DAX. Okay. Hey, Camille. Let's make some money. Just blew all 20 funded accounts Steam. What the hell, man? I was short 3 Nasdaq 408, but got scared of breakout. Oh. But Steam, what the heck? 20 funded accounts. Dude. Steam, come on. What happened, man? Who did you say purchase trade to funded from? MyFundedFutures milestone account. Here. If you go to MyFundedFutures milestone, there's a limited time for the 25k static. So this is a static account, no trailing. It stays always $24,000, your maximum loss. So it's not gonna trail at all. And the better one, I mean not better one, obviously, but the other one is the 50k, 100k, 150k. So it's instant funded account. $1,500 target, you get 750 on the 25k. With the discount code, it's 171. And sorry, and this one is $400 with the discount code. So you get $3,000 target, you get a $2,000 payout, basically. Oh no, I'm gonna get slaughtered here. This is just gonna be one of those days. Risky short, yeah. I really thought that this is just gonna drop to that imbalance, you know. I was hoping, but now I think it just, you know, it wants to take out that Asia high, you know. Just wants to take out. I mean, this move wasn't good. Yeah, Steam, I don't know, man. I mean, 20 funded accounts. Oh, 20 funded accounts. What contract size? Sometimes, you know, it depends on which prop firm. If I buy cheap evaluation accounts, I just full port it. For example, with Bulenox, sometimes with Apex, ProfiTrade, I just full port. Usually I pass like 1 account out of 3. Usually. No problem. That's interesting, yeah. 20 funded accounts, yeah, breezy. Steam, what the heck? Where are you at, man? Steam, I'm sorry to hear that. If trading stops at 52,600, also becomes, yeah, it becomes a static account, yeah, basically. So, which is a good thing. So it becomes a static account at that point. Apex lets you to have 20 funded accounts still, I guess, but yeah, at one proper, yeah, I would say try to diversify the funded accounts. That's what I do. I mean, that's what I try to do. To have 1 and 2 or 3 funded accounts at every prop firm. Don't diddle in the middle. Yeah. Man, this area here, it's absolutely crazy. There was an SMT. Yeah, emotions, man. Mighty Hawk subs or something, but I didn't get the code. Just do 300 a day and stop. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So if I make 200 or 300 a day on a funded account, I just stop. You can walk away, or you can switch to a different account, for example, evaluation account or a different funded account, but that's what I do. I just switched to a different one. I don't have the donor to get a few anyways because I never got the FTT. Oh, dude. That is so frustrating, 100 lot. You know, I remember you said $16,000 stuck there. Man, oh, that hurts. That hurts. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get taken out from this. It's wiggling too much in this area. Feels like it's building up momentum to push the Asia highs. I don't like it. But I took the risk. So that's it. I took the risk, so I'm gonna go with this. Several prop firms. Okay. Yokozuna, the big guy from wrestling. Is that a wrestling name there? Got tired of the prop firm BS. I'm currently trading in July account with house money. Let's go. Let's go, Don. Is that a ruin you second? Yeah, minis are ruining you. Be careful with the minis. So for example, if you want to trade with minis, that's why I say, you know, you cannot take a partial on one mini, but if you want to go with the minis, I would go with one single mini with a proper anti-stop loss. Yeah, but yeah, so if I just make 200 a day on a funded account, I think that's a good day on a 50K funded account. If I make 200 for the day, I'm done with that particular account anyways. I'm just switching to a different one, is what I do. Yokozuna was a beast. Business, so my own fault. Big move without too much leverage. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on with this price action right now, but it's frustrating. Just go with macro max 5 micro. That's 10. Oh yeah. $10. Yeah, 5 micro, $10 per point is even 5 micro, guys. Just 5 micro is more than enough. More than enough on these accounts. The prop firms know that, by the way. That's why they give you 5 minis on a 50K account. Guys, imagine that 5 mini on a 50K. You have $2,000 or $2,500 buying power or threshold, whatever. Not buying power, threshold. That's your capital, basically, $2,500. And you go in with 5 mini. Why would you, you know? Prop firms know that. If prop firms really want the interest of the traders, they wouldn't let traders do more than 1 mini. Really, I know it sounds crazy, but 10 micros or 1 mini would be the maximum that you need on $2,500 capital. No more than that. So that's why I took the 25K static account. They let you to trade with 10 micros, and that's it. Actually, 9 micros, 9 or 10 anyway, and that's it. You don't need more on the 25K. I mean, $1,500 is your no, $1,000 is your capital, basically, that you start with. For $1,000, even 10 micro is too much. Yeah, micros, yeah. Yeah, this untradeable chop here. And the more I sit in here, the more I think it's gonna squeeze me out, because the Asia highs are still close. Oh. It was good until London Open, yeah. Yeah, not now, it's just, you know, it's trash again. Price action is trash again. I mean, we could expect some consolidation. You know, the higher time frames, we are basically consolidating. So it was in the cards that this is just going to happen throughout the day. And then look at yesterday, also just consolidation. We'll see. Expect to rip with like no volume. Yeah, could be. Are we trapping the buyers? I don't know, buyers. I have no idea. I have no idea because we're right in the middle here. There is a small volume imbalance down there. It can be seen on the mini and the micro too. I do like that area. I feel like maybe, as you said, Bob, buyers wants to push it up there, but instead it's just gonna sweep everybody. Sweep it down and squeeze everybody down there and fill up that small gap. You know, in London session we can see that usually happening, and we'll see the rest. I'm also worried about news sometimes, especially if you have different funded accounts with different news rules. It's simple. Just don't trade the news, Cedric. It's super simple. I never trade it. Never, ever. And you know, who cares about the news? Wait for the news to come out. Wait for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, 30 minutes until the dust settles. Nowadays, you know, the news are coming out 8:30 Eastern Standard Time in the morning. I'm not even opening a position. I don't care. I just wait after, if I can. Sometimes I do break that rule. I wait after the 9:30 stock exchange open. So I try to hold myself from taking a position until 9:45 at least. I don't care about the news anymore. I just don't. Did you see the link? And can you repost? I didn't see the link there, John. I think because you can't post links in the YouTube chat. But you know, just a second, John. If I add you a standard mod, you can post the link. Just give me a moment. I can add you as a standard mod, and then you can post a link. Hold on. Add as mod, standard mod. Okay, John, if you're here, you can post the link now. Do you ever trade the news? Yeah. I use it for passing evaluations. That's the only thing I do for passing. Sometimes, but not always. You know, sometimes I do some crazy thing and I use it to pass evaluation. But you know, that's it. NPM, man. They don't accept LLC as traders. Oh, can't use them. Dude. Yeah. Trade as a company. Yeah. The lure of news trading is the possibility of a quick profit. Yeah, that's true, Kuko. That's true. One prop firm, they doesn't allow oil inventory. Oh. Yeah, we'll have a macro in 16 minutes or 15, something like that. I'm gonna be out of this position real soon, I think. Before the macro kicks in. We're very close to Asia high. I feel like it just wants to get pushed up there. Stuck between the current daily range. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. John Doe, hey there. Gotta go. Oh, Dominic, thank you so much for dropping in. Have a good day, bro. See you later. The inward news and profit only sometimes. Yeah. Also, you know, because of a lot of traders are trading the news at prop firms, your orders on these accounts, on most likely the evaluation accounts, could be delayed, you know, because the servers just can't handle the orders. Oh, okay, that's it. 3 charts, okay. I see. I see. Thank you, John. I see. To compare your risk. Okay, that's a good one. Points move on the bottom price. Okay, I see that. Yeah. It's helpful. It's absolutely, it's a good measurement. The Virgo trader, good morning. Oh no, I'm gonna get taken out. Oh no. How am I still in this trade? I don't know. But we're close to Asia high at 12, so more than likely it's gonna push. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna close it. Let's wait for the stop. Save it to learn from when you take smaller trades and bottoms or traps, and you can add. Okay, thank you, John. I mean, it's really a good chart. I'm gonna save that. And we're out officially. So, and we got the Asia high. We got the Asia high. Yeah, Asia high has been taken. Asia high has been taken. Previous day high 428 is the next target, and that's it. It is what it is, you know. Moving on to the next one. I was offside. I really thought that we're just gonna dump. It now seems like it wants to take previous day high, which is logical. But still a little bit high up there. It left a bit of a volume imbalance down there, so it can go and just hover around here in this area. Be careful, you know. Do you starter or expert? I usually buy starter accounts, but expert is good too. But I usually buy starter because I'm looking for small profits. That's the main reason. I take small steps, small profits, so I was not needing expert account, but you know, if I would get better in trading, I would go with the expert. Or if you want to risk more, then obviously expert account is the way to go. Yeah, onwards to the next trade. Yeah, that's how it is. It's in the cards. So now we're getting closer to 428. I was really hoping that we have that dump, but I'm a little bit lost with MyFundedFutures new and old contract. I don't understand. What do you mean new and old contract? You didn't mean the symbols? You just have to choose. There's an automatic way to choose if you use Quant Tower or Ninja. So what's it gonna be? Is it gonna go higher or what? Is it gonna take out the previous day? Because we're just technically going sideways here. If it wants to complete the move, it should be taking out the 28. What's the number on the mini? It's also 28, right? Yeah. So we have also some volume imbalances on the mini. So I would say there is a good chance that we can just turn around and start to dump from this area, but we still don't know if this one wants to squeeze to the previous day high or not. Not confirmed yet. Oh yeah, the ES. The ES. What does ES look like right now? ES feels, I mean, ES also seems like it wants to squeeze up there to the 58, 57 area. Not sure. But it looked like it. I'm flat, so I'm just gonna wait. Definitely. Okay, sure, John. I don't know. Where's Steam? Are you here, man? You didn't respond. I'm sorry. I was reading your chat a little bit later. Steam, man. 20 funded accounts. I know it's not good. Steam. Yeah, me too, Naomi. Blowing up 20 funded accounts. Steam. Yeah, 100 lot. That's also a plan. I'll look at that. Looks like it's pushing. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. Let me start months ago and anything changed now. Oh yeah, there's new starter account. They changed some rules, you know, but basically the daily loss limit is the new thing, but no activation fee, you know. But then there's a scaling rule on the smallest starter, the 50k, only on a funded account. So you start with 1 mini and 10 micros, and Above 1000 you go with 2 mini 20 micros, and then above 2000 you go with 3 mini 30 micros. That's the main thing. Sorry, Cedric, I forgot to answer two more things. Yeah. Oh, this is what you sent, John. Nice. Anchored view up. Looks good. Yeah, 3 minis is you're able to pass it with 3 minis. If you look for a good trade, Invictus, then yes, you can. You can. So by the way, Steam, if you're here, let me know. I mean, I obviously, it sucks to lose 20 funded accounts. I know. And I don't even know if I would say, like, don't copy trade 20 funded accounts. It's painful, by the way, to think of it, you know, losing 20 funded. You know, if I lose 1 or 2 funded a day, that's even a little bit frustrating, but 20, I would say that is indeed painful. Just, you know, stay strong and, you know, don't let this, I don't know if you can hear me, man, but I think you should take the day off. Maybe he's not even here. Hopefully he takes the day off, but relax, learn a little bit. No, I didn't get my payout, Zach. No. Still the old drawdown less than my actual MyFunded evals account have still, yeah. Yeah, I was having an old starter account, and for some reason, and it was my fault, I bought that starter account back in February or March, and I switched banks, and the bank card that was added to pay for that, they were actually unable to renew it after the second month or whatever, and unfortunately I forfeited the account because I thought it's gonna be automatically rebuilt, and I got the email that they wasn't able to get the money from my card, and it was my fault. I totally forgot to update my bank card, and one day I just received the email that, sorry, but your account has been terminated because we couldn't process your payment. So I had one old starter account still for $50 with no scaling and no daily loss limit, but unfortunately that I let it slip away. But made 600 in each of 2 accounts yesterday instead of blowing it like I usually do. Hey Jeff, that was a good decision. And by the way, that's a very good thing with TopStep, that you can actually lock yourself out. Like, you can do that with Rhythmic too, but you can override it. You can override Rhythmic Trader and you can get back in. But with TopStep, you're locked out for good for the day. Good job there, Jeff. Congrats. M Stone, hey, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. Welcome. How much is the discount on ProfiTrade using? Right now they have a 90% off for the cheapest evaluation account. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. ProfiTrade. So currently the instant funded accounts have a 50% discount. So these are instant 25k and 50k. The intraday trailing stop accounts are the cheapest ones, $16. For example, the 50K account. The 100K account is $20. The end of day trailing accounts are now $64. So these are end of day, and this is intraday. So the end of days are a little bit more expensive, but you know, the thing is, even if you choose this one, the cheaper one, you can choose how you want to activate your account. You can activate it as an end of day funded account, you know. So for this account, we're just still using the old rules. Yes, old rules. Exactly, Cedric. No scaling plan. Exactly. Cedric, you're still allowed to go with the old rules. Exactly. Exactly. Sopham, hey there. Hey, good to see you. Tom. You should try Phidias. It's EU prop firm. Really? I heard about that name, the Phidias. I heard about, but no problem, Cedric. This was ProfiTrade. I made a video about this Invictus. Check out my videos, my main videos. I just made a review video last week. Very basic. I explain some things there. We went longs and you took shorts, man. Oh yeah. Damn it, I wasn't with you guys. Well, it fit my, it was good for my entry criteria, but yeah, that's why I took it. They have right now 50% off. Okay. All of their evals has activation fees, which makes me think they'll go Tradeify end of day. Yeah, I see. 300 accounts with Phidias. Okay, I'm gonna check them out, you know. It's EU regulated, so are they futures? They're no, Forex or futures proper. I guess they're futures, right? Futures, okay. Yeah. No. Is that? Okay, I see. Okay, okay. $54. Yeah, looks good. Ninja Trader, all right. Quant Tower, they look okay. Thank you for letting me know. You have to make $4,000 on the 50K, which is good. And you have swing account too. Wow. Oh, we'll check them. Three times 100K started and blow up 3 others. Oh. Well, at least you can still work on that account. Are we going to squeeze this? We're gonna have equities opened up in a few minutes. So if we can take the previous day high, maybe we can see a possible reversal. I'm just gonna wait. Very good support, and they pay. All right. How much is the max number of accounts with? You can go, okay, highs have been taken, previous day high taken. You can go with 10 evaluations, but I think now they're limited to 3 funded and 1 live account. So 3 funded account and 1 live. I think that's the latest. And up to 10 evaluations. They are changing the rules every month. Swing account, I guess, I did not read that, but I guess you can hold the trade. I guess you can hold the trade. So, well, sometimes M-Stone, I try to pick up gold. I try to pick up gold, but I haven't really got to that lately. You know, if I'm focusing on more than one market, actually I'm doubling my risk. So that's why I don't really trade. I mean, I would trade DEX maybe, but again, whatever I do, if I'm focusing on more than one market, I'm just doubling my risk. And I've spoken with many good traders, and over the past couple of months and years, and most of them told me, I mean, not every one of them, but most of them told me that one market is more than enough, but you know, two markets is basically extra risk, especially on the same account. If I trade gold and Nasdaq on the same funded account, I actually doubling my risk for the account. Video still fast payout. All right, how much is the okay? So, you know, did you get paid from ProfiTrade? Not yet. Trade by Slage, welcome. If I didn't say hi yet, requested yesterday and got a certificate. Did not get the Rise. I think they will send you the Rise link, but I'm building up my accounts. I'm only halfway there because I'm super slow. But on the Telegram, I talked with a few guys who got paid already. Obviously, they are new prop firms, so I was just curious. So they are paying, but they are sending out the invites manually. So I think you should be receiving it. So if you requested yesterday, then most likely sometime today or something. I guess you can go into their Telegram or just email directly if you don't get it, but you should be getting it. Okay, dump. Oh, let me check the Discord. Oh, beautiful trade there. Made $2,000. Oh, you got the move right at the bottom there. Perfect. Perfect. That was a beautiful trade. Again, the no volume rip, like so many times in Globex. New rules again. Don't like. Well, not really new rules. But well, I think they're trying to, you know, find the best recipe. But as the market is adapting, they have to adapt to it. I'm in the prop firm market. Going back to weekly open, well, could be up to the 500. Yeah, oh yeah, I put out a marker up there. Look at that, the 494. There's a possibility. So the equity markets are gonna be open in less than 2 minutes. We could be pushing all the way up there. I like this swing high. 494 looks good. C-Rec, hey there. Dex is not on ProfiTrade. Oh yeah. No, hey, no problem, Cedric. I don't know. You don't have to be sorry. Absolutely. If you double risk, then size down. Yeah, that's also one thing you can do. I'm long from the break of 400. Final target 462. That's a good target. Make sure. I mean, I think the market likes the round numbers. Like in this case, the 450. So if it pushes to 450, if you can take some of it off or push it to break even, and look at that, we have the equities opened up. Okay, so no interest in oil. Well, I'm not. I was also looking at crude oil, but that's only good, I think, in the New York session. I'm not saying I won't, because I see some crazy moves on crude oil sometimes, so it would be great to catch some of that action, but it's really a risk decision. And you know, focusing, you know, I have charts on my left here, everything, different time frames on NASDAQ, and I'm trying to focus, but then I have to open a lot more charts. So yesterday price hold pretty good, yeah. It's better again. Yeah, I mean, I'm not something like that, Sirek. I'm not saying a specialist on one market. It's just basically a risk decision. 40% to lose. Yeah, Marcy, something like that. If I look at more markets, that's more risk on losing. And instead of if I just, but again, I'm saying this many times, but I didn't do that. I'm looking to pick up gold, but I just don't know how to do it. I feel like if I focus on gold as well, I just couldn't make the right decision. Yeah. Oh, Tamas sent me how long he's holding. Let me check. Oh, you're holding until 457. Nice. Let's go. He's holding until 57 or something. Let me look at okay. That's just a 1 minute gap. 15 minutes to be down there. Okay. Well, technically almost like a market structure shift, but 50% level is up there. I'm looking to take a short. But I'm not sure. $430. With okay. I'm looking to get into a short somewhere around 29.25. So right here, if it goes up there to reprice this small gap on a retracement, I'm looking to get into a short. I have a limit order at 29.25, but I'm just waiting. Seems like it's still dumping. Yeah, Bowser. Looking at the left as well, we have one fair value gap from here on the 1 hour, but that was earlier this week. I don't think that has anything to do with that, right? Just entered shorts. Let's go. I did not have my entry, but I have some possible targets. Scalp short. 422. You guys nailing it. Nice. Into the drop. I think I'm going to delete my limit order because the train has left the station on this one. Okay. How is the 5-minute? No market structure shift on the 5-minute here. Swept this swing low. Still waiting. We still have time from the kill zone, so anything can happen. Oh yeah, I see what's happening here. 428, volume imbalance, liquidity void. 28, man, it's gonna go up there. Or at least it has a good chance to go up there. Look at this. Right there. Should be rebalancing first. This 406, then goes back. I deleted my limit order. I have nothing right now. Just waiting. TP1, TP2 hit. Let's go, Cedric. Congrats. Potential short targets. The middle of this 15-minute CB, 393, is a good target. Midnight level, 376. And final target for me would be 370 if I can get into a short. But I have no entry to go with right now. So, but this is tricky because we have a volume imbalance up there at 28 on the mini. So it can just go easily up there, you know, squeezing up, squeezing the shorts after this. Everybody is jumping into shorts now. And boom, just goes back. Don't forget, if you go to the 1 hour, look at the 1 hour, it's beautiful. I'm gonna tell you what, that's beautiful on the 1 hour. 494. That's a beautiful, beautiful level there. I mean, there's money at that point. Trust me. There are a lot of stops and orders resting there. 494. Now, is it going to go all the way down? Maybe, yeah. It has a good chance, but have to be careful. This is going to be later, who knows when. Maybe not today, maybe Monday. But that level is important, I think. That's my personal opinion. Don't quote me on that. But, you know. Yeah, also the weekly open, yeah. Let's go, Cedric. Congratulations. Yeah. Thank you, Epix and Trump. I know I could always count. Yeah. Okay. I never say that. I try to hold myself back. Oh man. Yeah. So yeah. Let's just wait for now. This is the waiting game. 5-minute gap here. Okay. We got the reaction for now. Beautiful. Could be a possible long. Could be a possible long. You know. I'm tempted to take a small long position. I took a small long position. A little long position. My target is 29. On the rejection of this 5-minute BC. But I'm gonna get taken out here. I'm risking about 60 bucks on this one. Nothing more. The way I saw it reacting to that fair value gap, repricing rejected, and we have some targets up there. I have a bias still that it's not finished and squeeze out the shorts. That's a possibility. We also have a volume imbalance on the mini. So, little Tom, but a little long. Sarah, hey there. Welcome, Sarah. Little long. Took it too. Let's see. Should be silver bullet. Well, it could be fitting the criteria. Yeah, Camille, but I'm not really looking definitely into a so-called that silver bullet scenario, but looks okay. Don't fade your shorts. Sorry, Matt. I'm sorry about that. I don't worry. Just stick to your analysis. I'm squeezing Cedric. Oh, that sounded weird. Hit target first day on Bulenox. Let's go. Is there a minimum time that I need to stay in a trade? Well, no such rule like that. No, you can just flip it. There's no flipping rule for the evals. No minimum time or whatever. I know it's a little bit interesting, but they don't. I think Bulenox should be doing 1-day passes as well, because you just have to flip the account for 4 days and then you can activate it. But obviously it's their business. You can lock in profit. Okay. All right. I'll try to. If I zoom it out, it looks like a much bigger trade. Or zoom it in, sorry, is what I meant to say. Oh no, look at that. I'm gonna get slaughtered again. I'm just offside, I had an analysis, but I just couldn't stick to my own rules, right? Oh man, now it's going down. Not looking good. I'm almost out. Let me see how it goes. Yeah, it's gonna take me out there. It's okay. We're gonna make it. I mean, obviously not this trade. Yeah, I'm out. Jesus. What a drop. What a drop. This was a quick one. This was a quick one. Okay, I'm definitely offside here. Stupid mistake from my end. Should have been sticking to my original analysis there. And back below to the Asia highs. Five-minute BC is now acting as possible resistance. Actually, I'm gonna show you this is the account I'm trading currently. You know what? Limit sell at 408.75. Okay, I just entered a sell. And take profit is down there at what's that, 388. Yeah, all right, enter the sell. Now this position has $100 risk right now. So the previous one had $50 of risk. This one has $100 of risk. I'm looking to get down to that 15-minute CB and then, you know, maybe a little bit lower if it goes. So if I can make it with this trade, I end up in profit. If not, then this is just going to be one of those days, you know. I think it's just going to be one of those days. Okay. A little bit tough for me right now. I don't know. Look at that. Yeah, there's divergence. DXY dumping. Lower highs, lower lows. I'm a little bit confused in this environment right now. I was really hoping that this will just continue down to that area, but clearly it's not yet. I might, if it goes down, I might want to take some partial at 93, I think. So, yeah, 93. Let me modify the stops. Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work out. But the partials has been set, so when in doubt, zoom out. Yeah. Uh-oh. Not good. Uh-oh. Going up. Going up. Oil is only in play after sweeping 70. What's happening with crude? Oh, look at that. What a drop. And now back there. Nice sweep there. Maybe it could continue. The thing is, I'm not watching crude, but I guess some real good moves can be happening there. You hinted yourself the 490 level. Why do you trade against it? The 490 level is for later. I forgot to mention that. The 490, I think it could be for later, maybe for New York PM session or for the end of the day. And before that, I was thinking that maybe in the London kill zone, it's going to go down and squeeze everybody. So this is just for the short term. And the 490 level would be end of day, I think. And this current move is basically should be squeezing the longs. And then, you know, finishing up the day above the 490. That's a guaranteed target. Not saying any guarantees anymore. You're still in your original position. Let's go, man. By the way, I did not have a... I mean, I had... No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I tried to go long on the rejection. It was not my entry model when I went long from here. I just saw the immediate rejection on the 5-minute gap, and I thought that this is just gonna go back and fill the liquidity void. But then it dropped, so it left a bit of a displacement with a small liquidity void. So I thought that, okay, this one can now, you know, continue lower to rebalance that void down there and maybe even lower. So that's why I had reasoning behind entering a short now, and it's because of this drop. Structure shift with the displacement, the void, and some good targets down there. This trade here earlier, which I took with $50 risk, exactly the reason why I took it with only $50, because this was not my model. This was not my type of entry. I just saw rejection. I thought, okay, we could go up there, but we didn't. Now this trade, on the other hand, this current trade is something I like. This is something I usually like to take if there is a good target, which I think there is one now, at least for a partial at 93. Obviously, after sweeping all those levels up there, and we're still in the kill zone, I think this could be a reasonable target, but the price action now is again poo-poo. So you can never go long looking for a continuation move. The short will not let it. It just does it every time. Makes a new high and then big dump. Yeah, especially in London, you know, in the London sessions, what I think, the London moves are tricky. London sessions can do some tricky moves. You know, you think you're on point, and then it just turns around and it's over. I believe double bottom at 364 might be taken today. Yeah, maybe. But again, for the end of the day, I see a beautiful buy side up there at the 490s for the end of the day. The low-hanging fruit here would be the 393, in my personal opinion, the exact midpoint of that 15-minute CB. So if you zoom out to the 15-minute chart, and this is my reasoning behind this, there's a 15-minute CB from the Asia session right here. It's still kind of significant. You know, let's go down to the 5-minute. So this is the 5-minute. Look at how the candles were reacting to the mid-level of this CB. Rejected, went through, rejected, went up, and then hovered around in this midpoint. Look at the wicks of the candles and the bodies of the candles, how it reacted around the 15-minute CB. So if I go down to the 1-minute, we can see even more interesting moves. Look at this. how the candles are reacting again to the midpoint of this CB. So I would say that, oh my God, it's going up, that the 393 is somewhat a significant level, but now it's just gonna get me squeezed. Oh man, it is what it is. You know, what can we do? Did we have some news? Oh my God, almost took me out there. Almost wicked me out there. What the hell? Was there some news, by the way, at 4:30? I think there was some news, right? I totally forgot. No? No news. Then I don't know what. All right, anyway. It's not working out in my favor, so something happened, some news hit the market. Hello, Notave. Maybe now some consolidation. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, after this trade, I'm just giving it up. So this is not going to be my session. It seems like it. There you go. And I'm out. All right. No worries. I still feel like there's a good chance that we can go down here. And what else? Shifted structure here. Wicked, swept some liquidity. By the way, quite interesting that this candle at 432 swept liquidity up there. Did not rebalance these levels. If I extend this, look at how the 5-minute BC got respected. Now, I can do some overtrading, but I don't think it should be wise to do it right now. So if I enter a long position from this area and aim for the 428, you know, because technically it was a structure shift, but not with an up close candle. So if I would enter a long from here all the way up there, I would get a 1 to 2 risk to reward easily. I just don't like it. We have a volume imbalance. I don't know. 411.75. Let me check it. If I put a buy limit there, buy limit there at the 50% level, can it continue higher? I've put a buy limit at 11.75 if it takes me in. Do it, you know. DEW. Go on. Next week and after 2 weeks, most earnings that come out, so bigger moves. Oh yeah, yeah. Definitely not a good price. Okay, there you go. And now the target should be up there at 429. Okay, I'm deleting my order. All right, order deleted. Do we have another chance on this one? I don't like it. $13.25. All right, another limit order at 13.25. Last chance, but it's not gonna go down to fill that, and aiming for that liquidity void with a not too perfect risk to reward, but it's still within the range. It always does this until it takes out those lows. Is yellow completely hanging fruit? Yeah, that's true. I got into the trade. My take profit is going to be at 29 because I thought that this is going to be rebalancing this wants to rebalance the volume imbalance, or sorry, liquidity void up there. And this is going to be my last trade because this account suffered enough. This is going to be my last trade, and that's it. Complete. This trade is actually already over trading, so I shouldn't even put this trade on. $80 risk, 85 or something. But this is it. This is my last trade. Whatever happens, that's it. It's blow it. Do it for the stream. Not yet. Short did it again. Oh, nice. Well, it's not a scalp. I just said my reasons, but no full porting. No full port. I like the small fact that it got rejected on the 1 minute gap, that right there, but it's far from over, of course, or maybe not far, but yeah, now it's not far. No full port. No full port. I do full port only with only maybe around New York session with I mean, not that I didn't do in London session, but I have my funded accounts already. I'm just, trading these accounts slowly. Oh yeah, good way to get better on tilting. No, this is it. This trade is it. And if I lose this one, I'm gonna be down about, well, how much? Around almost $300. 300. Yeah. Around $300 on this evaluation. When Lambo? Lambo is on the way, but I'm gonna have, maybe I'm gonna put on, I have a green screen. So next time I put on a green screen and I'm gonna put a Lambo in the background, or a McLaren. So I don't need the garage and everything. I just put a nice McLaren or a Lambo in the background. Yeah. John, thank you for joining. Thank you so much for being here. Wish I was calm as you when trading. Well, I'm not always this calm. So I'm not always this calm. Oh man, terrible. Terrible. This is just terrible. The 5 minute chart, that's ridiculous. Yeah, let's look at it. It's gonna be barcoded, right? Oh. Look at this 5 minute chart, guys. It's absolutely a mess. The thing is, it got rejected on this 5 minutes, so that's not good. It can just burst through down there. The 1 minute charts looks like a complete mess. Try to run then short sense, yeah. This London session is a tricky one. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, this is a real tricky one. Some marks on the I know. You guys saw the marks on the wall, you know, in the background last time. I changed the Lambo to electric bike. Rent was over. Oh. Or, you know, guys, I have a 2003 Mazda. It's a great car. It costs around $1,000. It's a great car. What I can do, if you guys want it, I can stream from the garage and I can have the Mazda behind me. You know, it's a little rusty. It's a little old. And you know, I can put it in the background and stream from the garage. And I tell you guys, hey guys, I have a Mazda. You know. And I can also say that from my payout from Bulenox, I bought this car. Or you can, you know, $1,000 is the price of the car. So, and you know, I think that would be really cool. You know, I take my laptop down to the garage and I show you guys, hey guys, I have a Mazda in my background. You know. I don't need McLarens or a Lambo. I mean, no offense. I love Lambos and McLarens, but I just put the Mazda there. Can you sell it to me for 500 when you get the Lambo? Obviously I can. Or I'm gonna gift it away. I'm gonna do a giveaway on the stream for the Mazda, you know. And I'm gonna sign the car, you know. This was my car when I was whatever. It's gonna worth a lot when I sign it, you know. You know, a few years from now, it's gonna be on car shows like this was the car that famous streamer trader guy was used when he was not yet successful, but you know. The good thing is in that car, imagine what my Mazda can do. You would not imagine. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Once you can steer the wheels from inside. So there's a steering wheel and I can control the wheels from inside. That's one thing. I can pull down the windows. There's an electric windows regulator. I can pull down the windows electric. I just push a button, window goes down. And guess the best thing in the car, one of the best things, other than it's comfortable, it has AC. It has AC. I can steer the wheels. I can pull down the window. It has a working AC. And there's a radio which has a CD player. I just don't have CDs right now, so I have to find my old CDs somewhere. But it has a radio and I can listen to the radio. But only 2 speakers in the back because the front speakers are dead already, but the back speakers are still good. So guys, the car is fantastic. Absolutely. It's a little rusty. If you push it real hard on the floor, maybe you can actually step out from the car. If you're really strong, I think you can step out from through the floor from the car. So it's really good. And but the best thing, I mean, one of the best thing, it can actually take me from point A to B. Yeah. And yeah, you know, those are babe magnets. I I don't. I don't. Actually, I have a video somewhere from my own Mazda. If you guys want to see that, I'm not sure if I have it here, but let me check. I don't know. If it's synchronized with my phone, then maybe it's up there. But if it's not synchronized, then no, it's not synchronized. Okay, I thought that the video is up there. Yeah. Can I pick up girls with the? Yeah, of course. Of course. All you need to do is, if you want to pick up girls with this Mazda, gotta make sure that when you put your hand like out the window, make sure to always hold some cash in your hand, like a stack of cash. And if you do that, it doesn't really matter anymore. The eyes are gonna be watching your hands, and that way you can pick up some nice girls with the Mazda. That's all right. My mechanic actually, has a separate book of how many times I appear at the shop, actually. So I bring them coffee and food and all that stuff. They actually have a tab for me, like just your tab is right now this and this much. So, and actually I don't even need the garage because the Mazda is always sits at the shop. So I just have to walk to the shop and take it, and I want to go. 15 contracts to sell at 2150. Got executed on 8 contracts. Yeah, blind girls. Yeah. Can we see 2 consecutive green bars on the 5-minute? I hope we can. Oh man, Marcin, you have a Fiat Multipla. You and me should do a drag race or something. Picking up girls. You mean blind girls, maybe. Unrottable, yeah. Now let's see. Yeah, I love to see one more green candle here, but look at this. There's a liquidity void again. It's just going to reprice it. It's not looking good. Volkswagen T4 facelift. That's nice car, Bray. I love it. I love those T4s. Shorts won't let it go, right? Oh man. There's a small liquidity void here. It's going to reprice it with a down close candle. And it's not good. Okay, repriced it, but I still think it's gonna need a down close candle. So basically, I'm effed. Yeah, though the D5 too. Yeah. T4s are also classic. I mean, they're basically looking like almost like a modern version. So oh, look at this. This price action is so trash. Still waiting for yours. Oh, payout. No payout from Fast Track Trading. Break even. Yeah, see you at the PM session, Marshall MMA. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I don't have high hopes for this trade as well. This is just absolutely poop. Poo-poo price action. 20 contracts. Yeah. It's not looking good. Not looking good. Yeah. It was looking good for a little bit, for a little while. But now it's just not. Yeah, it's going to trade through that gap. And I feel like we are just going down below the 400s maybe. I mean, look at the 5-minute again. Oh, terrible. All right. I'm going to get taken out. 400 is coming. Awful. This is just awful. Let's see what this candle does. ES should go to 65, 67. Let me check. 60. Oh, I agree. It should go there. Actually, it should go to, yeah, definitely. 65, 60. I completely agree with you with that. ES should go there. Because how the short manipulates its down, sells below the bid to make chart look, yeah. Got in short on that break of the trend line. Well, I don't even know what to think now. So it's repricing this gap now. It could continue lower. The kill zone is going to end soon. And I have no idea what this wants to do anymore. Time for coffee, yeah. Yeah, this section is a salad. Never go long until we make new highs. We get these dumps constantly, but during New York session they are 40, 80 point dumps. Yeah. 15-minute gap is mitigated, then it's a short. Let's check those 50. Yeah, no. Oh, this is the 15-minute gap. Yeah, we have a 15-minute gap here as well. I totally forgot about that we have that right here. I'm gonna give a different color. So this one is the 15-minute gap. Interesting how price also respected this. What the hell is happening? I'm back to profit. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable that I recovered into profit from that one, but it's still not over yet. It's okay, Troy. Because it's still, you know, my losses, even if I lose this trade, I will be down $300. And I think that's absolutely manageable. My trigger is somewhere around $600 or $700. That's the level when I say when I'm getting into a little bit of a tilt or do some crazy trades, or that's the level when I should be just, you know, walking away or switching to a different account. When I put on this trade, I already knew that if I lose it, I'm gonna be down overall $300, which is within the range that I can manage emotionally. So that's it. Like Mark Douglas says, predetermine your risk, make peace with the possible outcome, and if you get to your limits or your loss limit, then that's it. You're done. Move on. That's it. And I tried my best. Really, I did. I told you guys what I'm looking for. I was talking about my levels and what's happening here. But if you just look at the 5-minute chart, you will see that this is a complete, cover your ears, kids away from the speaker, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a complete horseshit, this price action. So I guess, I mean, you know, this trade already is a little bit too much that I've taken this trade. So I could have just walked away with $200 loss for the New York session. So this is definitely my last trade until New York. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah, Jay. At least I sold 15. Let's go. On ES, from a technical point, we are in a bull flag. Yeah. I do like those levels that you pointed out, FX and Trophy, the 65 and higher that I like. If ES goes there, then, and by the way, the end of the day, the 490 and higher on NQ, I still like that theory. So I like that. Trade, but I will help you out. So I take a short, then it will be going high. All right, right. Thank you. Thank you. Another V bottom. But now it created another. So that's what I hate in these London sessions when there is not enough volume. It just created another gap here. This one. And this candle, if it's not going to reprice it or going to rebalance it to the down close candle, then price is just going to hover around here slowly. And it's going to take maybe an hour, you know, to go. Look at that. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have this gap now. And now we just lost another at least 2 or 5 minutes. Because price is now going to hover around here, act up like crazy stuff. We need a down close candle. The wicks are not enough to go higher. It needs to close it, rebalance it, and now we're just stuck here. We have the new hour, obviously, but anyway. That's good here for larger moves in market, the trend. 5 minute never, yeah, exactly. Because you're looking at the wrong things. NQ long won't tell ups and downs. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, John. I have to look at other markets and charts too. I have to look at the dollar index. I have to look at maybe the major stocks. I get what you're saying completely. You posted an image. Oh, this is what you watch. Okay. Yeah, you're watching all these stuff to get an intel, which is a good thing. I understand what you're saying. It's a good one. Like the screen there. You have a wide screen, right? I love it. All right, what's happening here? Not the same, but still, if there's not enough volume, every small gap is being reacted to. So this trade is not going to get back me into profit, but at least if I can get to TP, I can regain some of my losses at least. It's never given 4 screens and adding. So nice. Nice. Sold another 10 contracts. Let's go, Jay. Good job. So I think that price is going to go down here to 419, rebalance it with a down close candle, and then comes the real question if we're going to move higher to rebalance the void on the mini. If you switch to the mini from the micro and check the 429 level, there's a liquidity void on the mini. Now that's heavier because it's a heavier volume there. And there you go. So that's why I said that could be repriced. But at least we got there, right? I'm still down like $40, but you know, at least we managed to get it back. It's a very crazy session. It was a very, very crazy session. Yeah. We'll find earning day. Yeah. So anyway, now that we have this void here, it's gonna go down with the down close candle. I'm not going to trade that for sure. Look at this. This is gonna get rebalanced on the micro. It has to be rebalanced there. So this is a complete horseshit price action, and I'm glad I only lost this amount of profit, but it was crazy. It was crazy. All right, guys. I think I'm going to call it here and coming back in New York session. Thank you so much for watching. It was an interesting price action, that's for sure. And I'll be back in the Stock Exchange Open. Thank you again. If you would like to support, use my codes and links. It keeps the business rolling and the YouTube streams. All right. Thank you guys again. See you guys later. Take care. Stay safe. Be safe. Trade safe. And God bless you all. All right. Cheers, everybody.